Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to pull vacant leads by county name in REI Pro. Okay, I'm going to start off with the state of Maryland. Well, you'll see right here in Lead Pro, once I log into REI Pro, I'll click on the second tab at the top, Lead Pro. I'm going to make sure vacant is highlighted because I'm looking for specific vacant leads. So I'm going to go to the state of Maryland because this is the first state that I'm going to search by county. The first county I'm going to look for is Anne Arundel. Okay, all cities and zip codes, so I don't have to narrow the search down by that. I'm going to go to search leads. Okay, now this is going to give me every single vacant property in Anne Arundel County, which I do not want. So I have to narrow it down. So I'm going to now scroll in here into property types. Okay, I'm going to select the top option, all residential, to deselect everything. And I'm going to select specifically only multifamily, row houses, single family, and townhouses. Okay, multifamily, row houses, single family, and townhouses. Going to then hit apply the filter because that will be my first filter by property types. Make sure I select apply, and I should see in the upper right hand corner that number drop just a little bit. I'm now going to go to, I'm not going to do a filter by price and bids and baths. I'm going to now go to where it says more, which is the fourth option here underneath the lead options, and I'm going to select, I'll go down. Not going to filter by any of these first four categories, first five categories. But ownership flag, I want to remove company-owned properties. Okay, and I want to remove bank-owned properties. So the bank-owned flag and ownership flag are additional filters I'm going to apply. All right, purchase date. I preferably would like a property that has at least been owned for a minimum of 10 years. So I'm going to select this first date here, and I'm going to change the year to 10 years back, which would be, this is now 2018. I'm actually going to go, 15 years back to 2000. Actually, I'm going to make my cutoff, and let's make this very consistent here, 2004. Okay. Custom date range, and I'm going to go, that's my apologies, when I want the end date to be, and I'm going to go 1900. Okay, nobody's owned a property that long, but I want that to go between that and 2004. That gives me at least 14 years of ownership of property. So that's the custom date range. Loan to value, very important. I want high equity properties. The loan to value is going to be 50 to 100%. Okay. I'm going to make sure, this is very critical as you use these filters here, to make sure you select new records only because we pull records every month. So make sure you select new records only. Okay. I'm going to hit apply. Okay. And I will have 92 new properties here to view. Very critical is that you make sure you can see all properties here on your screen, because sometimes, in some instances, you do not see, and when you go to select all properties here, like here, it only selects the properties that are visible here. So just make sure you continue to scroll down so all of your properties show up. I am going to now, okay, as I selected all the vacant properties in Anne Arundel County, I'm going to now go back up, okay, and I'm going to create the new campaign, which is going to be called the month that we're in, August 2018, vacant leads at high equity. Or I'm sorry, I'm not even I'll call it 50 to 100% equity. Okay. And I'm going to hit add selected properties. Okay. Go to direct mail as my option here. Okay, and then you'll see these are all the campaigns that we've run. August 2018 vacant leads, 50 to 100% equity. I'm going to the one right next to action, the third option, which is export, download. Okay, and I should have right here in a CSV file all my leads. Okay, now I'm going to create one column. Okay, and I'm going to call this lead type. All right, and I'm going to call this for Anne Arundel County AAC vacant. Okay, that AAC is Anne Arundel County. Any other county, just use the first letters in that county. Prince George's County, PGC, vacant. Okay, and then I would just copy that. Sorry, copy and paste and put that here. Now I'm going to compile a master list here of all the vacant property using the same filters I just previously used in the example. And then I'll have a master list of all my vacants for the month of August. Okay, this should be every county that we are requesting. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here. You please use this as your reference. Go back, write notes, and ensure that you are properly filtering and clicking the options and making sure you hit apply to all the filters that were used in this video. Thank you.